Hello? Hey, Ted. Sure, what's... Really? Oh, that's great. That's great. So we have a lot of friends, and
we have a lot of kids.
A lot of kids.
Yeah.
We love kids.
Yeah. They're so cute.
Oh, and Jane's pregnant again.
Whatevs.
What?
It just seems like Jane could run to a poll and get pregnant. You know, and she has the nerve to ask me when we're gonna start.
Yeah, they're so good about it. They're doing all the classes, and it's just that's so.
We have been trying for a while.
I hate her uterus.
Aww. I swear we weren't gonna have another one, but oops.
And who was a baby shower on their 4th child anyway?
Yeah.
Why is it so easy for everyone else?